Welcome to our Capstone project in business analytics, where we'll dive deep into real-world business challenges. This project is designed to give you a practical, hands-on experience, applying your analytical skills to real business scenarios. Understanding the importance of identifying a clear business problem is the very first step in any successful analytics project. A well-defined problem serves as the solid foundation, enabling us to generate truly actionable and impactful insights. Our first key consideration is the relevance of the business problem you choose to tackle. It's crucial that the problem aligns well with current industry trends and real-world business needs. Next, we evaluate the potential impact that solving this particular business problem could have. Ideally, solving the problem should lead to clear, actionable insights or tangible solutions that drive business value. Then, we must assess the feasibility of addressing the identified problem effectively with available means. This means ensuring the problem is manageable, considering the data and resources you have available. Our final criterion is scalability, considering how broadly your findings can be applied. The goal is for your findings to be applicable and useful across similar business scenarios, maximizing their value. Now, let's explore the 5 crucial steps to effectively identify a significant business problem. The first step is carefully selecting an industry that interests you and offers analytical opportunities. Next, thoroughly research the specific challenges and pain points prevalent within your chosen industry. Then, define a clear and concise problem statement that precisely articulates the issue you aim to solve. It's essential to validate the problem's feasibility, ensuring it can realistically be addressed with available resources. Finally, consult with stakeholders to gain their perspectives and ensure the problem is truly valuable to solve. Let's move on to the key steps involved in effective data collection for your project. This process takes us from finding initial data sources all the way to preparing clean data for analysis. The first crucial step is clearly identifying all potential data sources relevant to your problem. Next, we'll explore various data extraction methods to efficiently gather information from these sources. Finally, we'll cover data cleaning and preprocessing, a vital step to ensure your data is accurate and ready for analysis. Let's delve into various data analysis techniques that are crucial for extracting insights from your datasets. We will begin by exploring both exploratory and statistical approaches to understand our data thoroughly. First up, let's discuss exploratory data analysis, often referred to as EDA, a vital first step in any project. The describe function gives us summary statistics, while SNS boxplot helps visualize data distribution and spot outliers, crucial before modeling. This code imports necessary libraries, loads sales data, then prints descriptive statistics, and displays a box plot for initial data exploration. Now, let's move on to the statistical analysis basics, which provide a quantitative foundation for understanding data. NP, mean, computes the average, and NP, STD, calculates the standard deviation, both fundamental for understanding data's central tendency and spread. Here, we import NUMPY, define a dataset, then compute and print its mean and standard deviation to understand its basic characteristics. Continuing our discussion on data analysis techniques, we now shift our focus to more advanced methods. We will now explore machine learning and predictive modeling, powerful tools for making future predictions and classifications. Let's start with the logistic regression model, a popular classification algorithm used for predicting binary outcomes. Train test split prepares data. LOGISTICREGRESSION builds a churn prediction model, and model, fit and model, predict, train and apply it. This code splits data for training, initializes a logistic regression model, trains it on the training data, and then makes predictions. Visualizing data is key, so let's look at how to create a customer churn visualization to understand customer retention. A pie chart using churn, value counts, plot, Pi visually displays churn proportions with auto-opt formatting the percentages on the chart. This code generates a pie chart showing the distribution of customer churn, complete with percentage labels and a clear title. Let's discuss the key characteristics of a data-driven solution, highlighting what makes them effective and powerful. The core idea here is leveraging data effectively to achieve the most optimal outcomes for your business. A primary characteristic is fact-based decision-making, ensuring choices are grounded in evidence, not just assumptions. This means relying on empirical data and solid facts, moving beyond mere intuition for critical decisions. Data-driven solutions offer predictive and prescriptive insights, helping us anticipate future trends and recommend actions. They help forecast future trends and actively suggest the best courses of action to take. Another important characteristic is scalability, meaning the solution can adapt and grow with your business needs. This implies the solution can be consistently applied across various different business scenarios and departments. Finally, data-driven solutions embrace continuous improvement, constantly evolving and getting better over time. They are designed to adapt and refine themselves over time as new data becomes available. Now, let's explore cost-benefit analysis, a crucial technique for evaluating the financial viability of projects. Its purpose is to quantify a project's value and measure its potential return on investment before committing resources. We're going to look at the formula for return on investment, or ROI, a key metric in business. The return on investment, or ROI, is calculated as the quantity total benefit minus total cost divided by total cost, all multiplied by 100. Here, the total benefit represents the sum of all financial gains or positive impacts derived from the project, and total cost refers to the sum of all financial investments, expenses, and resources allocated to the project. The final ROI value is expressed as a percentage, showing the return generated relative to the investment. This formula is essentially used for calculating the overall financial impact and efficiency of a project. It helps us assess a project's profitability by directly comparing the financial benefits it yields against its total costs. Remember, a positive ROI signifies a profitable investment, whereas a negative ROI indicates a potential financial loss. All right, let's now move into our final section, where we'll provide a concise summary of everything we've covered. Here, we'll focus on the key takeaways that are most crucial for your Capstone project's success. Remember, identifying a clear business problem is the absolute foundation for building a successful Capstone project. Effective data collection involves diligently gathering relevant information from both primary and secondary sources. For data analysis, you'll utilize EDA, various statistical methods, and even machine learning to gain valuable insights. Developing a data-driven solution requires clearly defining your objectives and selecting the most appropriate tools for the task. A strong business case is vital, justifying your project with clear costs, benefits, and an implementation roadmap. Lastly, effectively presenting your findings is crucial for gaining stakeholder support and ensuring actionable insights from your work.